Okay, so next is how to edit or delete room details. Okay, to do that, again you need to go to manage property tab, and once you're logged in, then go to manage property tab, and next to your property details, go to actions and then click on edit. Okay, and then come to step number 2. Now here you will see few options, like for example, I'm going to move this side. Okay, if you want to delete this room type, then you click on delete and your room will be deleted. Okay, now if you want to edit this room, I mean you want to make any changes in the room, then click on edit. Or you want to add another room type, then click on add room, and then you can add another room over here. So let's just say we want to edit this room details, so I'm going to click on edit. Again, we will be walking you through all these steps, which are when you create this particular room, there are multiple steps which has to be completed, so you need to follow all those steps. So make the changes wherever you want and then click on continue. Okay, so let's say I don't want to make any changes over here, or let's just say I want to include evening tea as a complimentary, so I'm just going to add that and then click on continue. And I don't want to make any changes over here, no issue, just click on continue. You want to delete any photo, do it, and then click on continue, and that's it. So basically you have edited the room details, and obviously you don't want to add another room right now. Then click on no, and your details have been updated. You might see the contact details next after editing it, so just ignore it and then click on continue, and your room details have been updated. Okay, so this way you can basically delete the room if you want, and you can edit the room if you want, and you want more room types, then you can click on add room and you can add as many rooms you want. Okay,